Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you a really easy 5-minute makeup tutorial. I think this is one of my favorite looks I've done so far, and it also has become my go-to makeup look. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot, using a P84 brush by Sigma Beauty to apply this all over the eyelid. This will make sure that my eyeshadow will stay in place all day, and it will kind of hide the redness from my eyelids. It will just make my eyelids look really nicely covered. Then today I'm gonna play with this Huda Beauty Matte and Metals. I'm not really sure what the name is, but I will put the name in the description bar. So it has a side which I'm now applying, which is like a matte creamy texture, and it has a side with like a shimmery sparkly metallic. So we're gonna start with the matte side, and I'm gonna apply it all over the eyelids, and then I'm taking a more like blending brush. The one I'm using right now didn't really work, so I would just suggest to go in with a blending brush straight away. I've never done what I'm doing right now using the Huda Beauty one, so I wasn't really sure like what brush would work well. Later on, I switched to a really simple white blending brush, which I think worked so much better. So definitely just grab your favorite blending brush for this. However, I do have to mention that it will soak up like a lot of product, so you will have to clean your brush afterwards because it's like a total different texture than like a powder eyeshadow. But you can see that it's really easy to blend out. I feel like because I used the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot, this product kind of blended into it, which I think looks really nice. Also, it's quite a dark color. Like, it's not super dark like a smoky eye, but it's definitely darker than like the first transition color I would normally go in with. So with just one product, you already have like this result of like a really nice color on the eyelid. It's already like quite dark in a sense that it's like perfect for a daytime look. It's not super soft, but yet it's also not super dramatic. You just apply one product and you're like good to go, if you know what I mean. So I really liked it. So now I'm gonna take the other side, which is like that shimmery okay, what am I saying? This shimmery side. And I'm gonna apply this over the middle part of my eyelids. And I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do this because I also really liked how the matte blended eye look was looking, but I felt like to kind of complete the look, I wanted to use the other side of this product as well to really see how the combination of those both products look. And then I took that same blending brush and kind of smudged around the edges to make sure that there are no like harsh lines or anything. I really wanted everything to be really nicely blended out. Then I applied a little bit more to make the shimmer a bit more intense. And then I went in with this eyeliner from INGLOT, and this is like their black gel eyeliner, which is so nice. It's really creamy, super black. If you're searching for a nice super black gel eyeliner, this one is really good. And I used a angled brow brush from Sigma Beauty, which is my favorite one for applying eyeliner. And yeah, I really like it. It's like the eyes are already looking so glamorous, but I only used 2 products and it was so easy. I have already done this eye look 2 times after filming this video. I filmed this video a few days ago, and I also wore this look the days after because I liked it so much. Let me know if you want me to do this eye look more often using like different colors from Huda Beauty. Let me know. So I finished off the eyeliner, and now I'm going to use the same matte side of the Matte and Metals from Huda Beauty. For underneath the lower lash line, I just applied it with the applicator. And now I took a Morphe M506 and I'm just going to smudge back and forth. So the good thing about this product is that it will make your eyeshadow long lasting since it's a cream product and it dries. So it will stay in place perfectly. Then now I took a pencil from Marc Jacobs, which looks really similar to the product on the eyelid. So I felt like it was kind of in the same color family, so I thought it would be perfect for this eye look. So I applied it all over in the waterline, and I did really feel like it made my eye colors pop out more, but it did make my eyes feel a little bit irritated. So I'm not really sure why that is. It was also not applying really smooth. It was getting a little bit like some like little pieces get in my eye. It was like really dry. I didn't really like it, unfortunately. I did like the color, but the texture of the pencil was just a mess. So now I went in with my favorite mascara, which is from Benefit Cosmetics, the Roller Lash mascara. which I absolutely love, which I tell you guys in all my videos. And then now I'm gonna apply some fake eyelashes, and these are by House of Lashes in the style Boudoir. And I'm gonna use my tweezers to apply them. These are really beautiful lashes. I think one of my favorites by House of Lashes. They're not too dramatic, not too natural. I absolutely love them. And then here you can see the end result. Now I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you're a little bit afraid to do like a winged liner, you can definitely skip that part and just go without the eyeliner, or you can do like a little smudged eyeliner using a pencil above the lash line. You can give your whole own twist to it. But yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. For my next video, I'm finally gonna upload the video where I show you how I apply my lashes. This is gonna be a in-depth video, which I think is gonna be really helpful. So stay tuned, and yeah, hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!